Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do a clean with me vlog today. I actually already filmed this intro, but I don't know where it's gone. So this is future Ken's for this vlog. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you like it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and even give me some comments. Let me know what you want to see, and yeah, let's get into the vlog.
I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Say rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich.
My bedroom's clean. I'm gonna jump in the shower so I can get like fresh, and then I am probably gonna do breakfast. I'll vlog you in on the breakfast, not the shower, and then we'll take a look at my beauty room. It's a disaster. So my kitchen and lounge are pretty clean. I'm just gonna make myself some breakfast, and then I've just got some washing to put away that's in this room, and then I'll move into the beauty room and get my cleaning started. I'm just having this Sarah's Day Extra Pica Body Bloom. It's like a prebiotic and probiotic kind of thing. It's supposed to be really good for your skin, and I honestly have noticed differences since using it. I started using it right before I went over to LA and Vegas, and I didn't take any with me, and then my skin just like freaked out while I was over there, so like that wasn't really fun. So I'm glad to be home and taking it. For breakfast, I'm just gonna make some bacon, eggs, tomato, and halloumi. I'm like obsessed with halloumi right now, and I really shouldn't be because I'm a little bit lactose intolerant, but like, I don't know, cheese is good, man. Plus, I had to finish off. I couldn't just throw it out.
I'm rich.
Would you guys like to see vlogs where I cook? Because I love cooking, and I would do that if you want. I don't know. Let me know in the comments.
I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich.
gonna sit down and eat this, and I'll check in with you again soon. Hey guys, I'm back. It's like 10:40 now. My camera died at like 8:30. I thought it had a full battery, but then it just randomly died. So I had to go out to the shops, and because it's a Sunday, they didn't open till 10 and blah blah blah. But I just picked up a brand new battery and a charger because I didn't have either, so that I can get like mass content done today. I am gonna start on this clean with me for this room now. It's literally like, this is my beauty room. My vanity sits like over here, but it's just a mess and I need to get it clean, and I thought this would be a good way to clean it. So I hope you enjoy. Yeah, let's get into it. Guys, I literally just spent the last hour like cleaning up that like bag and all those clothes and stuff, and I went and did like a load of washing as well, and my SD card was full. So it only recorded the first 2 minutes of me cleaning that up, but it was basically me just putting what was here into either a pile that needed to go to the washing or away into my closet here. So now that's all done. I've got like this small pile of stuff here that I need to find a home for. A lot of it is like some skincare samples and like makeup samples and stuff that I've received recently and I need to find a home for. And then the other stuff either is rubbish or needs a home found or just be put in its home. And I just like, once I get the skincare and stuff out of there, I feel like it will be much easier for me to manage like what are those things actually and where do they go. So I'll be doing that. But first, I've got to clean my beauty vanity. So I'm going to spin you around to that angle now so you can watch me do that. Hopefully this all records, and I'll actually check in on it every like 5 minutes to make sure. So yeah, let's do that. Guys, I literally just discovered how to put my camera on autofocus, so I promise from now on the focus of all of my videos is just gonna be so much better. But let's get into cleaning this. Yeah, I'll check in again soon.
Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your phone and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love.
Guys, I thought I would move you to this angle while I clean this, because I'm just going to do like the whole top of this vanity first. And then do everything else after. I just thought you'd get a better angle and like the lighting's a little bit better, so yeah, let's do this.
The love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life.
this is basically clean. It's actually not at all. It's filthy. So I'm just going to give it a spray and a wipe and actually make sure it's clean, because like it's just not a healthy environment if this is where I'm doing my makeup every day and it's just not a clean surface that I'm putting my tools on and stuff, you know, like I just need it to be clean. So we're gonna do that now.
You are the love of my life, the love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life, my life.
This makes me feel so good. I'm so glad that I got that done. I have this like little thing. Most of these are samples and like a little bit of skincare, and I just need to work out if like these are things that I'm actually gonna try and actually like I am interested in, and if I actually need to keep these or not. I feel like and a lot of you would probably resonate with this as well, but I feel like, you know, you get free samples for things and you're so grateful for them, and you like, it's fantastic you got these like free things, but you know, I'm not interested in the It's Bye Bye Under Eye CC serum, and yet I have multiples of it in all of my samples. I think I just need to do like a declutter of all my like samples and even just my entire vanity. Like I know a lot of the lipsticks in here are probably like just not good anymore, so I think I'm gonna film a declutter and I'll go through my samples and like all of my lipsticks and everything. So if you want to see that, can you let me know in the comments below, because I'll definitely film that for you if that's what you want as well. I just have a tiny bit left of this room to do and then I can start vacuuming, so I'm just going to turn the camera off for a while so I can just recharge the batteries, but I will check in again with you soon. Alright guys, this room is pretty much clean now. I'm not just going to touch this desk here because it is my old vanity, but it's basically like just my boyfriend's desk where he keeps all his like stuff that he needs to file and like keep for whatever reasons. So that's a little bit messy, and then I'll just show you this bit as well. This is boxes that we use, or like bags that we use to like give gifts out. And then just behind that is some like gym gear, so like that stuff's not like I need to talk to him about what we want to do with that stuff. Otherwise I'm just gonna do a vacuum and then this room's done, which literally just puts like so much stress at ease for me, because I've been trying to get this done for so long, and then I was in the States, and then I got back, and then I was in Sydney for Mechaland, and I've just been at work every day. Like I literally have been having like one day off, and it's just been like stress city in my head, and I'm not sleeping, so to get this done today is just such a good feeling. So I'm gonna vacuum, and yeah. While I've got the vacuum out, I'm gonna do the other rooms as well. This battery is about to die. My life today is literally dead cameras and full SD cards.
Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with soup.
We're done. That was my clean with me. My camera is literally about to die. Got any questions, comments, or likes? Please also subscribe, and if there's anything you want to see, let me know in the comments. What else do I need to say before you die? Thanks for hanging out.